Hello everybody, this is Professor Yogesh and today we'll be discussing about Robotic Process Automation Design and Development Lab, exercise number 5 using UiPath tool. And experiment number 5 or lab exercise 5 is all about developing an UI automation using UiPath Studio X to demonstrate the window activators. So there are around 5 window activators that we need to consider. So basically, we first start with getting a active window and then doing some alterations with that particular window, minimizing it, maximizing it, hiding that window, or restoring it, as well as moving that window from one position to another position. So coming to the theory part of it, get active window is all about capturing the currently active application, which is executing or running in the foreground, allowing the subsequent operations to be applied on that particular window. Whatever window changes which I mentioned now, that will be applied to that particular window. Maximize window, it will expand the application window to full screen, and minimize window, it will reduce the application window to the smaller size, and it will bring that to the taskbar. And hide window temporarily hides the window from view without closing it. And restore window is all about returning the window to its original state after being maximized, minimized, or hidden. Move window is all about changing the positions of the window on the screen by specifying the x and y coordinates. So we see one by one. So this is the UiPath conduction process. So first we need to go by initiating the get active window, and then we are supposed to go by using one window properties, minimize window, maximize window, and hide window, restore window, and then move window. The only thing that we need to do with move window is we need to specify the height and width, x and y coordinate value in order to shift that particular window from one position to another position. So now I'll take you to the UiPath tool. So here I've already automated it. So first, as I've already said, you should fix one window as an active window. So I'm just taking one window here, and that window is this Word document itself. I'm considering this itself as a active window. So that is stored in C drive, now the folder. So once we select this as a current window, any actions that we do on under window applications, that will be done to this particular file. So in order to choose this, again, you should go here and select use application browser. In the last exercise, we discussed about how to use browser. Now we are discussing about how to use application and do changes or manipulations on the applications. So that is the base property that we need to use. In the do block, first you should initiate get active window, and then you should call minimize window. And there are no properties to be, you can see the right side of the window. There are no properties assigned to set any values or to change any values here. And after some time in the delay, I'm initiating maximize window. And then after some time delay, I'm going by hide window and then delay. Again, I'm maximizing it to see whether the window will come back to the maximized positions or not. And then restore window to the original position. And lastly, we go by move window. So here you can see on the right side property, there are fields like input fields, height, width, x and y. So I have set it to 150, 300, whatever values you want to give, you can shift. So if the value of x and y is 0, 0, it means that you are on the exact left corner. And if you are on the some other value like 300 and 100, you'll be shifting from the x coordinate and as well as from y coordinate. Let's run this and see whether this file will be automated. So I'm closing this file to make sure that this will be opened and all the properties will be applied on this. So no other files are, active here. So I'm running this file now. So the file is getting opened, minimized. You can see here, and it is maximized, hidden. So the position of the document is shifted from one position to another position. You can witness that again. After some time, since I have provided delay, it is getting shifted to some other position. You can see here. From here, it was shifted to some other position. This is about the window properties and how do we manipulate it by making use of these window properties. Thank you so much.